Welcome to 1317 Elsinore in McLean Hamlet. Excited about this 4-bedroom with an office, Colonial, and a finished basement with an amazing private backyard. Let's go inside and take a look. Enjoy this amazing updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances and amazing views of the private backyard while being open to the family room so your loved ones can be sitting and enjoying and relaxing. And conveniently located right outside is a really great large deck and beautiful backyard. Not only do you have 4 bedrooms upstairs, but you have this convenient office located right on the first floor. Super convenient for working at home. Are you ready to own an incredible house in McLean Hamlet with a great community and get fast results? Contact us for a showing.